Okay, seriously, what the? Exits to the right. I mean, seriously, I get why it needs to be loud, but this is overkill. The campus police is here. You know what? Okay, I'm going to the library. Second time this week. Yeah, I'm going back outside. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I can hear it here. It's overkill. Okay. By the way, I'm sorry for having to censor earlier. I was definitely ticked off. Well, then again, this may just be a drill. Then again, we already did say there are no drills. Let me ask.
They didn't let you in the library?
Nah, I decided I'd just come out and ask what set it off. It's not like high school where they need to make sure everyone's here. Because if it did, then every single class would have to take attendance.
Yeah.
All over campus. Huh, can't find the RA. Oh, they're there. May just be a drill. Oh, coming out. What turned it? What set it off?
I don't know. Even if I know I'm not go back.
Okay. Well, that was rude. Huh, taxi. How much you willing to bet that's the fire marshal? Nope. Okay. I wonder how long it's gonna take for them to get here, for the fire department to get here. Yeah. The earlier video I uploaded earlier this week. Huh. For a second I thought they reset it, but nope. The one I posted earlier this week, I don't know how long it was going off before because I was asleep and I woke up to it. Yeah, we can't come back in until the fire department leaves. Seriously?
Yes.
Do you want me to get a copyright strike?
Yes.
You. This is getting annoying. Oh, huh. I don't know if you can see it, but, yeah, the screen's broken. And here they come to silence the alarms and shut them off. Go to check out the room that set it off. So talking to the RA, 3 detectors, all in the same room. It's annoying. I still don't get why they had to send a full-fledged, just the wasp. I don't get why they have to send a full truck. I know. Like, why can't they do it like they did Sunday? Oh, technically Monday morning. Oh, it was Tuesday morning, right? Tuesday morning. Yeah, they sent like a small car.
Okay.
So it was someone cooking rice.
Someone cooking rice when? You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, just like cooking rice right before it went off. They set off all 3 detectors in their room, in the main part of the suite anyway. Honestly, how do you screw cooking rice up that badly?
I don't know. I got a question. Do you do this for YouTube? Like,
Yes. YouTube.
What's your YouTube thing?
Hen Basket.
Huh?
Hen Basket. HENBASKET. Yeah, I'm not live streaming because that'd be a real
What
pain.
type of material do you do?
Fire alarm videos.
Really?
Yeah,
Did you just start or have you always been
I've been doing it for a while.
Wow.
Ever since before I was a
Are you at 71 videos?
yeah, 100, like almost 200 subscribers.
190.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna stop recording. Don't want my video to get too long again.
Right.
Other than again, if I have over 10 minutes, I can have that mid-roll. Oh yeah, that's right.
Do you get paid?
No, I can't because
You don't have that many views.
I don't have that enough subscribers because... All right, I'm gonna actually stop recording now. Finally turned off the alarms. Wait, yeah, I can't see it. Strobes are still going off. Well, at least we're gonna be able to get back in soon.